Welcome to 9100 Midland Woods Drive in Midland, Georgia. This all-brick ranch home is impeccably maintained with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 2,200 square feet on a partly wooded 2-acre lot. Check out this upgraded kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances. This is a split plan, so the master is on the opposite side of the home from the other bedrooms, and this ensuite bath renovation is to die for. Each of the spare rooms is spacious, and the hall bath includes a double vanity. What an awesome home! The screened porch and private backyard make this an ideal property for anyone who loves outdoor living. The detached additional garage workshop includes a half bath and is the perfect spot for your hobby room. Come check it out, 9100 Midland Woods Drive. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.